Hello children, this is L.K. Tripathi from LPM Public School. We will discuss about civics chapter first, that is democracy and equality. This chapter will elaborate us from different types of democracy exist in the world. Also the importance of equality. So better to discuss about this chapter mindfully and seriously. Meaning of democracy. What is democracy? We can simply say that democracy means rule of the people. It is a combination of two Greek words, demos, which means people, and kratos, which means rule. American President Abraham Lincoln described democracy as government of the people, by the people, and for the people. This is known as the best definition of democracy defined by the ex-President of America, Abraham Lincoln. In Man's society, the managing committee is a mini government. It will be made up of people living in the society. As it is discussed above this heading, Mansi is there, she is part of the society, and managing committee in mini government. She has a committee of mini government, that is instance. For example, she is explaining it. It will be made up of people living in the society. It will be elected by the residents of the society, means by the people. Resident of the society means by the people. And it will look after the administration of the society, that is for the people. Today, democracy is the most popular form of government all around the world. When and how did democracy originate? Let us look at the journey of democracy. What is this? Let's find out it. Let us see. In Athens, the ancient city-state of Greece, all the male citizens formed a body called the assembly that took the important decisions of the state. It is a Greek word. First of all, democracy originated from Greek. It was a kind of formation of society, that is known as assembly, where people used to meet together and took important decisions related to the state and their interest. This was perhaps the earliest form of direct democracy, where people directly participated in governance. But slaves, women, and people of other states living in Athens were not a part of the assembly and did not participate in the decision making. Number 2, democracy developed further in the Roman Empire during 509 to 27 BC. This is very old form of democracy of the Roman Empire, where the people gathered together and played important role in taking decision. This was an assembly where some important citizens gathered together and took important decisions. Where they met together, that was known Senate. And it was a kind of government for a year, for 1 year term, people used to take important decisions there. Number 3, in the age of feudalism that came after the fall of the Roman Empire, democracy was almost forgotten. It was an age of violence, wars, and the tyranny of the kings. An important milestone in the history of democracy was the signing of the Magna Carta in 1215 century. It is also known as the Great Charter of the Liberties of England. The Magna Carta was a document that the king was made to sign by a group of nobles. It restricted the privileges of the king and established that the king could only punish people on the basis of the law of the land. Even the king himself was not above the law. The nobles could punish him if he broke the law. Number 5, the American War of Independence was the next important step in the history of democracy. 13 British colonies in North America declared war against the British monarchy. In 1776, the colonies adopted a document called the United States Declaration of Independence, which stated that the colonies were no longer a part of the British Empire and they were forming a new sovereign state, the United States of America. Next, one of the most important events that brought about the downfall of monarchy and the establishment of democracy was the French Revolution, 1789 to 99 century. The French society was divided into 3 classes or states. The first state, comprising the priests and religious leaders, and the second state, comprising the nobility, ruled over the third state, which almost entirely comprised of poor peasants. The third state was made to pay all the taxes which the king and the first and second states led a lavish life. Finally, the third state revolted that led to the fall of the monarchy. A national constituent assembly was formed with representatives of all the 3 states. It adopted the Declaration of Rights of Man and of the Citizen in 1789, which stated that all men are equal by nature and before the law. This is the glimpse of democracy which we have discussed up to here. First, let's find out some important points related to the democracy. Through the picture also we can observe many things. Here is the picture. The feudal system in medieval Europe was characterized by the absence of democratic spirit in governance. Feudal system means where the landlord or the aristocrat people ruled over the peasants and other working classes. When democratic spirit was not in practice, or we can say the democratic government was not working. Next picture shows the signing of the Magna Carta was the first ever expression of people's will prevailing upon the interest of the crown. Magna Carta was such a document which explains that the king only will not be the decision making person of the country. Decisions should be taken on the behalf of the people by the assembly which should be formed in the country to take decision with the greater number of the members. This was the Magna Carta. Next, the American War of Independence against British colonialism was followed by the establishment of a democratic system in the USA. Next, the French Revolution was based on the principles of equality, liberty, and fraternity that still serve as the fundamental ideals of democracy. Why not? This is very good for the people of the entire society. The Revolution of France was absolutely based on this principle. The principles were equality, liberty, and fraternity that serves still आज तक इसको हम अपने फंडामेंटल राइट्स में लेते हैं. दिस इज द बेस्ट एंड glorious symbol of democracy. So up to here we have discussed in this video based on democracy and equality. The discussion will be continued in coming time also. In next video we will watch much more things related to this chapter. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.